Okay, so here I have some chicken that I have in cold water with a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of salt just to clean that off. So I'm gonna let that soak, and then I'm gonna rinse that off and start cooking that. And over here is what we'll need to make the chicken stir fry. I have an onion I'm getting ready to slice. I have a few peppers. Over here I'm gonna make green beans, and then these are more vegetables to add to the stir fry. How do I want these? I think I want them sliced. I may slice a few, and then I think I want just diced, or just chunks of onion. They're gonna cook down anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Alright, let me rinse this off. Second. Okay, so I'm adding my bell peppers and onions to the chicken. And I'm going to let that cook for a couple of minutes. And in this pan I have my rice. My bagged rice boiling, and then I put my green beans in here so they have to cook down. Okay, so now I'm going to add my mixture. So in this mixture I have soy sauce, red pepper flake, a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And I just stir it up really well, and I'm gonna mix this in. I'm gonna stir that up, and I have my heat on high. We're gonna let that cook down a little bit more. Okay, so everything is ready. The rice is ready, and I just have salt and pepper and butter. and the rice. And then the chicken stir fry is ready. And the green beans are ready. Yes, they are ready. So, and in this pot, it's just, I had bacon, a little bit of bacon grease, a little bit of water, salt and pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So I'll plate this up and then show you guys the finished product. Okay, so here we go. I'm making plates with the stir fry. So that's the finished product.